Robots that vacuum, mop, wash themselves, and even dry their own mop pads? Sounds like science fiction, right? But in 2025, these AI powered cleaning robots are already in homes around the world. Let's explore how far they have come. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about the new generation of AI cleaning robots, smart machines that don't just clean floors but also maintain themselves. One of the most advanced models is the iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. It vacuums and mops at the same time. When it docks, it empties its own dustbin, refills water, washes the mop pad, and even dries it. It uses cameras and sensors to spot dirtier areas and clean them extra thoroughly. And the mop automatically lifts when it detects carpet, so your rug doesn't get soaked. Thinking about the price? It costs around $1,399, making it a premium option, but highly advanced. Now let's talk about EcoVacs, another big player in this space. The D-Bot series has extremely powerful suction, self-washing mop pads, and even fast charging, so it can clean more quickly. It even offers edge cleaning for corners and a slimmer design to get under furniture. It has a complete all-in-one station that empties dust, washes, and hot air dries the mop. These robots are already in use today. Thousands of homes rely on them daily. They are great for pet hair, spills, and regular maintenance. But they are not perfect. They can still miss tight corners, cost a lot, and need some upkeep for filters, mop cloths, and the dock itself. So, should you get one? Let's look at the pros. Saves time, deep cleans, self-maintains, avoids obstacles, works with smart home apps. Now let's look at the cons. Expensive, sometimes noisy, and still not 100% human level cleaning. The bottom line, AI cleaning robots are no longer the future. They are the present. Whether it's iRobot or EcoVacs, these machines are already making life easier for busy families. Would you buy one of these robots for your home? Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.